Hi, it's Anna with WTI.
Are you looking for a medicine cabinet with a mirror for your bathroom? I have one just for you. This is by Keonjinn, and this is a 16 by 24-inch medicine cabinet mirror. It is the perfect size for our small bathroom. It does require assembly, but assembly is not hard, and all the pieces fit together so well that even my 3-year-old was able to screw all the screws in for me. She was super happy. The frame is made of aluminum, and it is super light, so you can easily install this by yourself. After it's hung, you attach the door, which is also super easy. It just snaps into place, and then you add some screws for security. And it is so satisfying at this point. You can peel off that plastic and you have a beautiful, crisp reflection of yourself. So exciting. A couple things I really love about this are the adjustability of the shelves. So sometimes you're limited on how you can arrange the shelves. This one, you literally can put the shelves at any height because of how it's made on this track. This cabinet's very versatile. You can do it recessed in the wall, on the wall, left door open, right door open. You can put 2 mirrors together. It is really cool. It even has a soft close on it, so you don't have to worry about this slamming. I am beyond happy with this mirror. It really adds a nice brightness to our bathroom, and I'm sure you will also love it.
But that's just my point of view.